Welcome to the channel, everyone. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Lyndon Houston. Today I'm going to show you how to make a lovely and healthy tea. As you can see, these lovely leaves here, these are dry lime leaves. I grew up on these in the Caribbean, but a lot of people might see these and don't know how healthy they are. So what I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely tea with this. I'm going to take you through the process of telling you the health benefit of it. What can it do for you? First of all, it's good like for gastric pain and also help you to lose weight. And it is also good for cold and flu, especially when it's cold. So to make our lovely, delicious and healthy lime leaf tea, I'm going to go in with about 2 cups of water in this. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add my lime leaf in and I'm going to bring it to a boil. So normally when you're doing this, let this boil for about 3 minutes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give it a stir. If you notice, the leaf them start to expand. And the next thing I'm going to do with this is I have some green tea, some organic fresh green tea. Look at that. I'm going to go in with that just a little bit. All that is personal preference, but when you finish with this, you will taste the difference. As you can see, even the colors try to started to change. If you notice, the color start to change, and believe me, if you should smell the aroma coming off this. Look at that. This thing remind me of my childhood when I'm going to school. When my mom normally sent me to pick about 12 lime leaf fresh off the tree to make a massive pot of tea. This is lovely, guys. Very healthy. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna turn it off, and I'm gonna let it steep a bit. So turn the gas off, and we'll go look at the rich color. That's what you want. I'm just gonna cover it a bit. We're gonna leave it for about a minute or two, and then we'll finish the process. So now our tea is finished. I'm just gonna get a teapot of my choice to put it in. Then what I'm gonna do, this here I have a strainer in it already. So we're gonna go ahead and pour this straight in. Just pop your lid back on. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get my teacup, and normally, I like a little bit of honey in my tea. So this is all personal preference. So go ahead, pour some honey straight in, and then just pour yourself some tea. Cheers to you all. Thanks for watching. Ladies and gentlemen, please do remember to like, share, subscribe, do leave positive comment. delicious.